Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade easily. First, gather your ingredients: 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure your lemons are ripe and juicy for the best flavor. This simple recipe ensures a refreshing drink every time. We'll start by preparing the lemon juice, which is the heart of our delicious lemonade. Next, juice your lemons until you have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. A citrus juicer makes this task quick and easy. While you're juicing, prepare a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently over medium heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. Now, it's time to combine everything. Pour your fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into a large pitcher. Add the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well mixed. For the best taste, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, serve your homemade lemonade over ice. Garnish with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding a little more sugar or diluting it with extra water. This easy method guarantees a perfect glass of lemonade every time. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.